Hello friends, I am Samarth from Excel Yoga School. There are a lot of people whenever they come to our classes or courses, even doctors, they usually ask us, Samarth, is there any benefit beyond skeletal-muscular system out of yoga poses or yoga practices? There is a very good news. There are a lot of benefits beyond skeletal-muscular system, because whenever you read on website or some books, they usually focus a lot on like muscles, and they usually come out with fancy names like gastrocnemius, deltoid, and rectus abdominis, and all those. Like, even they will explain a little bit about joints as well, ligament, tendon, and fascia. But we have a good news. We did study a lot of scripts and latest research which is ongoing for yoga, and they come out with very good outcomes, and they are explaining that yoga pose, and there are certain yoga practices that is going to affect your multiple systems, not only skeletal-muscular. You are going to get benefit to your endocrine glands such as adrenaline, hypothalamus, pituitary, and thyroid. Apart from that, this is going to affect your nervous system, autonomous nervous system, central nervous system, both. Plus, you are going to have very good outcome on your excretory as well as reproductive health. So in general, yoga pose, if you are practicing according to our scripts, the way they have mentioned in our scripts, they have actually mentioned so many rituals apart from practicing yoga pose. So it's like a very practical manuals, our ancient scripts. I recommend you to study Yoga Yagnavalkya or Yoga Tattva Upanishad. They are very good to start with, and they have explained about all these things, like what time is suitable, how many times a day you should repeat the practice, how long one should practice yoga pose, whether 1 year, 2 year, 10 years, 3 months, 3 year, or whatever. So we have a very good team, and the teachers at Excel Yoga School, they excel a lot in yoga. The reason is, like, we always go back to our scripts. We try to bring back very good jewels which is hidden in our yoga manuals, which is written so many thousand years back, and we do try to implement in this time 2022, and they are I am telling you, we have seen lot of surprises with benefits of yoga. So if you have any questions regarding like how yoga benefits or how yoga pose provides outcomes, we can help you with that. You can also join our classes and courses for more details. And whenever our teacher, like, they get certified, they are logically and scientifically, they are able to explain the benefits to all these systems with specific yoga practice. Apart from that, we also teach what chakra, what prakriti that is going to get affected with specific practice of pose or kriya or pranayam. So see you next time, and if you have any questions, let us know. Bye bye.